Hello and welcome to Challenge to Build. In today's review video, new welding helmet from ArcCaptain. Now, before I get into the review, I need to state that ArcCaptain did contact me directly and ask me if I would do a review on their helmet, so I agreed. They sent me this helmet at no cost to me. However, that's not going to keep me from giving you an honest review on this product. So with this helmet, one of the first things that I noticed is opening the box, I was able to remove this helmet and it was fully assembled, ready to go. Now, I did have to spend some time and adjust it, which actually did take quite a bit of time. With this headgear, for one, it's extremely stout and well made. The adjustments, once you get them locked in, are extremely tight. And there are two features with the headgear that I have not seen in any other helmet that I have reviewed. And the first of those is there are these little tabs on the back of the helmet which allow you to quickly adjust the stopping point on the helmet. So when you push it up, these tabs right here, you can quickly adjust when you nod down where the helmet stops. So very quickly can you take it off and fine tune it depending on the job that you are doing. Also, something that I have not noticed in any other helmet is when you are wearing it, you can push it up, and as long as it's adjusted, it will stay up. But if you listen, if you push it up just a little bit more, it kind of locks into position. This way here, you are almost guaranteed that no matter what you are doing, it will not fall back down in your vision while you're messing with whatever it is that you are working on. And still, again, as long as it is adjusted properly, you can nod down and unlock it and it drops down into the position that you have it adjusted in. So very cool feature. You can tell that this helmet was designed by welders for welders. So very good quality in the headband. The fact that it comes assembled is a huge selling point for me. In the helmets within this category, as far as price is concerned, generally the competitors are only a 2-sensor helmet, generally right here at the top. ArcCaptain has 4 sensors, which allows this to be a little bit more responsive in use. Also, the gauge of the plastic I noticed is a little bit more heavy than other brands, something that I really like. Also, the selector switches, you have the weld grind switch here, along with the sensitivity knob. These are easy to grab and adjust when you're under the hood if you need to. Also, the DIN setting is adjustable from 9 to 13. These helmets also have the ability to install an industry standard magnifier in them. And overall, the helmet is extremely clear and easy to see through, and the response time is also extremely quick. In the video, you can see that I have run it through the processes as far as MIG, TIG, and I even tried my plasma cutter with it. Now the DIN setting for the plasma cutter is a little bit dark, but the clarity is still there. So I wanted to at least cut some metal with the plasma cutter. One thing I do not really do with my welding helmets, unless I'm in an extreme pinch, is use the grinding settings. Every once in a while, if I'm in a position to where I just need to do a quick cleanup or something like that, I will switch it over. But generally, I use my welding helmets for welding in the TIG and MIG processes. And then if I need to do any grinding, I normally get my full face shield clear visor and just use that for my grinding. The price point on this helmet makes it extremely competitive in the class of welding helmets that are under $50. And this helmet impressed me so much that I actually went out to ArcCaptain and I actually bought their large viewing welding helmet. So I'm excited to do a review on this one as well. This is going to be my new go-to helmet for the uses here in the shop. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly quality helmet, look no farther than ArcCaptain and get yourself a welding helmet and get out there and go challenge your build. That does it for this review. Thanks for watching. I will see you in an upcoming video and/or review.